Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by preparing the Redmi 9A and confirming ownership. Make sure the battery is over 50% and you're on a stable Wi-Fi network. This prevents interruptions. Next, have the Google account email, password, and any two-factor device available so you can authenticate. Once done, unlock your phone and open settings immediately. You want to start the removal flow now. Proceed to Accounts, select Google, and tap Remove Account. This starts the legitimate unlinking process. You continue by executing the secure removal sequence and understanding why each step matters. In Settings, choose Accounts, then Google. Select the target account and choose Remove Account. If the phone requests your password or two-factor approval, complete those steps. This confirms you own the account. If you can't access 2FA, use backup codes or sign out remotely from other devices via your Google account page, because removing all active sessions ensures the phone won't resync automatically. You finish by cleaning up and resolving common hangups. Once the Google account is removed, make a conscious choice. If you're selling or refreshing the device, perform a factory reset in System, reset to wipe personal data. Make sure you remove the Google account first. If the phone still prompts for the previous account after reset, don't attempt circumvention. Use Google Account Recovery or contact an authorized Xiaomi Service Center with proof of purchase and ID, because they'll help restore legitimate access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.